where you'll come home to, that you'll feel free to want to come and be a part of the things that go on.
Why is life after mail so important?
Life after mail is so important to me because it provides us an opportunity to bring graduates from many decades back to be able to share with students, to share what mail meant to them, to share how mail helped to prepare them for the future, what their future was, what their career was, and then most of all, to just be able to answer questions for students about what life is like once they leave here. So today we had 65 from alumni that were here, the oldest being from 1949, all the way up to the most recent was one from 2013. So it's just a great foundation for the future of being able to connect alumni with current students in hopes of making students want to be a part of that group when they leave.